January 10th, 1912, the world's first flying boat airplane designed by Glenn Curtiss makes its maiden flight at Hammondport. Welcome back to the Shop Mini RC, everybody. Today's a little different. If you guys don't know, this is Mike from Keep RC Fun. He lives out in California, and I would be remiss to not use the power of my platform or community that's been built to help this gentleman out. Now, if you guys don't know, Keep RC Fun has an awesome Instagram. They also have a YouTube and whatnot. And I've even featured him in some of the videos at Axial Fest and Proline by the Fire, stuff like that. You guys can check those videos out if you want to see the interviews with Mike. But Mike has amazing builds and he does awesome content. But unfortunately, he was affected by the California fires. He lives out in Altadena, and he was devastated. He lost everything, and he's in a hotel right now. And this is the kind of community that I want to foster and build, is a community that wants to help each other out. Now, Taylor Cook from Crawlers and Coffee set up a GoFundMe for Mike, and all I want to do is ask that if you can, go to that GoFundMe. We'll put a link down in the description below. Throw a couple bucks or whatever you can to help Mike out, get him started again with his life, not just RC, right? He'll get back to RC. He's got tons of sponsors and people he works with, but really he needs to rebuild his life. He lost his everything, his truck, his house. I mean, everything. He had some important paperwork that he was able to get out, and then some undies and snacks. That's what he said. He says he has undies and snacks in his hotel with him. So this man needs some clothes. Let's get him some clothes. Let's go ahead and do some donations to the GoFundMe. And even if you can't afford to do the GoFundMe, or you don't want to, I understand. Sometimes you just can't give that little extra. But the one thing you can do is share his GoFundMe, or share this video, share the post, whatever. Share the information that this gentleman is in need of a little bit of help. Now, he didn't ask for this, so he's not asking for this help. This is set up by the community, and I wanted to do my part and help get the word out there to as many people as possible to help Mike out. Now, I know there were a lot of people devastated by these California fires, and every single one of them deserves help, and hopefully they'll get it in some way or another. But I think with our own community, the RC community has been amazing with everything I've been involved with. So I believe in this community to be able to help out at least one of our own. I'm sure there are other RC guys out there, but Mike is somebody that I personally been invested with as far as time and relationships and friends. I mean, right here, if you go back and look at it in our videos, we've got one of his patches. We don't do patches, but we got one of his patches sitting right here on our bench. And so just check out his content at the very least. Go support his Instagram and his Facebook page and YouTube channel. And then again, if you can, just share the links, whatever. And if you really can, give a little bit of a donation, just a little bit, $5. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. I really hope everybody out there is having an awesome day. I hope Mike's day gets better with this GoFundMe. Huge shout out to Crawlers and Coffee and everybody else involved that's sharing this. I know TJ from Horizon Hobby has shared the post, and a couple other guys out there. So definitely Rock Pirates, all the guys that go out to these different events. Mike is one of the ones that goes out to, like I said, Axial Fest and Proline by the Fire, and a whole bunch of other ones that he goes to that we haven't been to, but those are the ones that we've been to. So, and we see him at all of them, and being part of the community is huge. So again, I just want to be able to give back. We're going long again. My videos always long, but we'll go ahead and cut it off here, guys. I want to thank everybody for watching, and again, thank you for at least sharing the GoFundMe or this video out to everybody else to let them know, and let's help Mike out. Guys, get out there and build something even more awesome than we've already got. Go build a car, build a course, build a community, and let's get Mike doing the same. All right, guys, peace.